I got legs in my holes in my legs. Blade is a piece of shit. He pees in his bed every day because he's too lazy to go to the toilet. Fuck Blade, fuck Blade, fuck Blade, fuck Blade. Blade is an asshole piece of shit. Fuck him in the ass.
Hey there, stranger.
You guys filming the streets, huh?
Yeah.
What's going on?
What you buying, stranger?
I ain't buying nothing. What are you selling?
We are on YouTube.
You on YouTube? No, I'm on YouTube. You're not.
Can we get your life story?
My life story?
Yeah.
How long you gonna give me?
All the time in the world.
No, you have to give me a time limit, like 30 seconds.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay, you give us a minute of your time.
A minute. That's better. Life story. Where do I begin?
Where are you from?
At the beginning, probably.
Yeah,
I grew up in Los Angeles, but I came up here to go to the university.
How was your childhood
Really good.
in Los Angeles?
Yeah, well, I was near the beach.
Were you ever abused as a child?
No.
No.
Okay.
Well,
Why should it be that?
abuse, like, what is that? I mean, like, abuse is like a scale. Not serious, no, not at all.
Does your dad beat you up a couple times?
No. My dad was a
What are you
rage.
talking about?
Hey, it's my story, right?
Yeah.
What's going on here? You guys are starting to talk between you. That's not right.
I know.
Sorry,
I'm just asking
sorry.
you questions.
Sorry, continue
He's
with your
being very
childhood.
I know, this guy's being very intrusive.
he just gets curious, man. He wants to talk about it.
He wants to talk
You
about
have to
it.
do that afterwards.
Exactly.
It's like the Trump speech, you analyze it afterwards, right?
Sorry.
Okay. So yeah, I grew up by the beach in LA. Went to the beach every summer. We were at the beach all day long. It was the 1950s, man. It was simple times.
How old are you?
I'm 74.
Oh, wow. Look at you.
Wow.
Old people. Yeah, you look as old as Bjorn here.
Yeah, well, Bjorn, he's had a hard life.
So they got the car out of tow. They have it. They're coming here now. But a little bit of an issue. The tow company fucked up when they towed it because it's a rear-wheel drive car. They did it for the front axles. That it fucked up the transmission. But you know what? You filmed it, right?
Yeah.
So if they might have to, like, Casey might have to take the tow place to court and be like, dude, you fucked up my car. You know?
Yeah.
They did it wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, I filmed everything. It's on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, so we might have to, like, get that VOD because that's gonna cost money to fix.
Yeah, it's on my YouTube channel.
But the things out of tow though, they have it on the streets now.
What?
The RV is out of tow. It's on the streets. They're driving here now.
Yeah, but it cannot drive.
Find out. Let's see what happens.
Hey there, how are you?
Good. How can I help
I
you?
have to ask you to leave. I'm sorry.
Can I ask you why?
I got a call from corporate and
From corporate?
yeah, they
You
say
didn't get a
that
call
you've
from
been doing
corporate.
this. I'm just very outside. I'm sorry.
Sorry. Can I
can't-
ask you? Can I ask you
You
just
can't do this. You know that. This is private property. You can't do that.
check your call record? I promise you. No, call the cops. Call the cops. What's up, chicken? So I came to get some food, and corporate called them.
Yeah,
So now I'm here waiting for the cops because
yeah.
I'm not gonna sit this one out.
I've had that before with Denny's for corporate calls.
Yep. So now I'm sitting here. I'm obviously not gonna get fucking served. So at this point, I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna get an incident report and I'm gonna follow up with this because this is stupid.
So if you guys don't really leave, I'm gonna have you guys arrested. Okay?
I don't understand. Oh my gosh. What seems to be the incident, officer? This is I'm the press. I'm part with the press, CX News. Is there a black guy in there being arrested?
Right, so first of all, I didn't come here to cause a confrontation, okay? All I do, okay, is I live stream my life, and that's what I try explaining to them. I'm a YouTube live streamer, and I broadcast my life. That's all I do. Can we understand that, please? Now, I came in here, I came to eat. That's all I wanted to do. It was a complete prank call from a fake corporate. I at the time, he didn't want to understand anything. I'm trying to explain to him, I'm a live streamer and this happens to me. I am putting this responsibility on you. Hopefully your department is good, Santa Barbara. You guys will follow up and see where this is coming from, because you guys are also getting fake calls, because you had a second unit that showed up that was a fake call.
Why are people fake calling?
Because it's viewers, they're trying to swap me.
Right, why is that happening?
Because there's people trying to swap. Do you not understand the internet, man?
I know it's swatting.
They're trying to swap me.
Well,
That's
really,
them.
This really isn't swatting. That would be something
When
different.
officers show up to the scene, that's a
That would be
swap.
saying the guy's got a gun or a ball.
No,
Not-
it's a
not that he has
swat.
mice.
Listen, man, if they
Never
call
heard
the
of a
cops,
mouse-related swatting.
if they call the cops, dude, it's you know that's all right, man. Let's just go back with the
Ready to
terms
go?
because you clearly don't understand the internet. Excuse me, can I get your name, please? Sorry, I'm sorry. Can I get your name and badge number, please, as well?
I'm writing them all down for you right now.
You can speak.
Sir.
I'm just asking. I'm just making sure. Thank you. I'd like to get his information too. For
He doesn't have to give you his name.
he's a manager. He's supposed to identify himself, especially if he's.
No, he's not required to do that.
Yes, he is, dude. Doesn't matter. He's the manager. I'd hold the door, but I don't hold the door for peasants. And that would be law enforcement. Actually, that would be for yourself.
Very low IQ, very low entertainment value, but it's okay.
Very low entertainment
Coming
value.
from the guy that has to give crackheads money for content.
That's a good
Coming
point.
from the guy that was a 2-viewer Andy until Sam Pepper discovered him and gave him a platform. Yeah, by the way. Talking to somebody
Dude,
that
wait,
was a
I remember this guy.
Somebody that was a guy.
I remember this guy in the Discord. Don't fucking Don't fucking put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me.
Push me, bro.
Get out of my fucking face. Get out of my fucking face. Touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking
Get out
touch
of
me.
here, man.
Don't fucking touch me.
do?
You keep fucking touching me.
You pushed me
keep
first.
fucking touching me.
You pushed me first.
You
bitch.
were fucking touching me, you stupid bitch. Get the fuck out of my fucking space. Get the fuck out of my fucking space.
Gypsy STD pussy and
You're
even
nowhere
licked
fucking near me.
Keep getting closer. Keep getting closer.
You're nowhere near.
Keep getting closer. Keep getting closer.
Don't fucking push me.
Get
You're
out of
trying
my-
to
get
get
out
in
of
my
my
fucking
face.
face.
Get out of my
You're trying to
face.
get my
Get
fucking
out of my
way.
face.
I don't need to do
Get
shit
out of
for
my
you.
fucking
Hey,
face,
hold
bitch.
my fucking camera. Hold my fucking camera. What the fuck did you just call me,
Get out of my
bitch?
fucking face.
What the fucking call me?
Get out of my fucking face.
You won't do fucking shit.
Get out of my fucking
You won't
face.
fucking do shit.
Get out of my face.
You won't do shit. You're just here for content. How about we fucking do?
What are you guys up to?
YouTube,
Get out of my fucking face. Get out of my fucking face. Get out of here, man.
792
You're a
years.
piece of shit. Look where I'm standing. You came all the way here.
Nobody ordered a pizza?
No, it's the viewers. The viewers order pizza. The viewers.
Well, they didn't pay for it.
Fuck up, Victim Andy. Victim Andy. All I was trying to do is get you off of me because you wouldn't stop rubbing yourself on me.
That's not
You
true.
wanted to go talk to Mondo.
That's
You
not
wanted
true.
to talk to
That's not
Mondo
true.
so
Even when I was
much,
there.
so much that you
How
had
come
to
you're
get in
letting
front of me,
chicken off
thinking
the
you're
roof?
so fucking
He
hot shot.
constantly talks
Shut
shit
the fuck
behind
up.
You haven't done shit since I've known you. You're not gonna do shit now, dude. What did you all of a sudden grow up hairballs?
Shut up with the disco.
What do you need?
No, we're good. I don't know what he's talking about. We're good.
Okay. See, he doesn't even need my help.
He needs your head. He's the driver.
No, it's okay. I got this, Bjorn.
He's
got it.
supposed to drive. And look at him, what he's doing now.
He's setting up the cam.
Yeah, but you have to do that.
No, it's
He's
okay,
already up there.
Bjorn.
He's on it, dude. He's taking
but-
2 seconds.
But he needs to drive.
He's gonna drive, dude.
Yeah, but help
Hey,
him
guys.
now.
So what was it? The 2 extra minutes?
And
of
we're
that means
back.
We're just gonna fucking park somewhere for a little
No,
bit
but
longer.
when he's driving, he don't have time.
So when he's driving, he's driving.
Yeah, but you have to help him with that.
He's
No.
already on it, dude.
Yeah, but it doesn't work.
Move, Bjorn.
It doesn't work.
He's on it. It's working right now, Bjorn. Back
Yeah,
up,
but it
Bjorn.
doesn't work.
Back up, Bjorn.
It doesn't work.
Back up, Bjorn.
It doesn't work.
It's working right now, dude.
Yeah, but it doesn't work.
It's working right now, Bjorn.
Yeah, but when he starts driving, he will fall down.
He needs some Prozac or something.
He's just sitting on Discord all day.
I'm trying to fucking help you, Bjorn.
Yeah, but you're on Discord all the time.
So who cares?
Because we have problems with the RV.
And we're fixing it. He needed a cable. I
No.
got him a cable.
No, we are not fixing it. They are fixing it. You're doing nothing. You sit on
All
Discord
you're
all
doing
day
is just
long.
fucking bitching, causing more problems, Bjorn. That's
No,
all you're doing.
no, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You're mean. You're a bully.
No,
No.
go back to bed, dude. Don't talk to me. Don't. Please, I'm gonna fuck you up too.
You won't do shit, dude.
10 o'clock
10 o'clock?
tonight.
You're gonna take me and Blade at the same time?
Yes. I just want to tell you something. The police is all over the place in this town.
Fine. Now the thing's registered.
We have like a 10
Hey,
police.
Callers,
already.
welcome. Callers, welcome. Fucking, you wanna call now? It's, shit's all registered. See, the thing is that the car had a current tax.
Wide angles.
All the fees were paid, but they didn't finish up the smog. So in the police system, it shows incomplete registration. So when they run it, it shows incomplete. But it was only $100 to get it out. It was $110. Yeah, to get the get it registered and everything. So we do.
Are you a stream sniper?
You told me it was big.
Are you a stream sniper?
You told me you told me you loved
too
it.
long.
Oh yeah.
Smells like diesel everywhere. They're next to a restaurant.
Oh yeah. He said we have to go.
He had dying streamers.
Don't fucking touch my beer, dude.
Fuck your beer, dude.
That's my beer.
I will throw your beer out, dude. Try me, beer, and I'll throw your beer out.
I'm
I'll
a
make you
boss.
smoke a blunt. I'll make you smoke a blunt, and I'll fucking throw your beer out.
Show me the toe again. Just can't wait to see that toe again.
I this is my 5th RV trip. Please don't trust me. I'm gonna fuck you up so much. I will take your skeleton out of your asshole. Oh, this is
So you guys literally fit in this. Like this actually matches your guys' style.
perfect.
Fuck yeah. Shitty ass RV, shitty ass people.
Hell yeah! Hey, fucking shitty ass people and fucking shitty to be.
I love
Okay,
it.
so
I love it. I love it. Thank you. Hey, Casey. I
we are
appreciate
going
it,
to
man.
destroy the
I
RV.
appreciate it.
I don't care if you guys destroy. Listen,
Can we-
I pay. Listen, people are like, oh, this RV cost me try to drop $7,000-8,000 on a fucking car that I'm not benefiting at all. I just wanted to keep this IRL game going, dude. That's all I wanted to do.
Don't fucking touch me, dude. What are you doing?
The king is back. The king is back. Come on, guys, look at him. Come on, look at him. Look at his red face. See?
Where you want to go to eat or
Look, he's happy, dude. Let's go.
man.
Yes. Did you like the cocaine earlier?
Is everybody hungry?
Okay?
Yeah, the one I gave you earlier.
Oh yeah, the white thing. You
Fuck
put
yeah,
in your
dude.
nose?
Oh yeah, the white thing.
Oh